Hey there, Dr. Perez here. I'm sitting down in this cold weather, that's why I have my jacket on. Calvin wanted me to discuss a video with you to talk a little bit about rotator cuff. What is it, Calvin?
Rotator cuff muscles, they are the ones that you hold.
All right,
your
so this
humerus
lady
to the scapula.
it has a funny costume
They are
where
the
you can see
rotator
all
cuff
her muscles.
And the rotator cuff muscles,
And
they
she's talking
seize
about what the rotator cuff is. Seems to be like a basic anatomy class.
seeds.
You want me to tell the audience what a rotator cuff is? Yeah. So for those of you, you probably know what a rotator cuff, the word's rotator cuff, but you might not know what it actually is. It's not a muscle, it's not a bone, it's not a ligament. It's technically a group of tendons that engulf the ball joint of the shoulder. So if you know the shoulder is a ball joint, and the ball part is the humerus and the humeral head. That's why they call it the ball. The rotator cuff, what it is there's 4 tendons that attach to the ball that makes the movement of the arm. Now those tendons, a tendon is a part of the muscle. So it's a muscle becomes a tendon and the tendon attaches to the bone. So those 4 muscles are the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the teres minor, and the subscapularis. They both create a cuff. It's like engulf or create an envelope that attaches to the ball, and that's what makes the motion. So when that tears, what it tears is the attachment of the muscle into the bone. And that's what causes the rotator cuff tear and then causes significant amount of pain. That's what I usually fix, is reattaching the tendon of the rotator cuff back into the bone.
What do you guys usually do when it comes to doing that? Like, how does one attach a tendon to a bone?
So if the tendon detaches from the bone, then you need to anchor it back. So we use an implant called an anchor. An anchor, same as drywall anchors, we have anchors for the bone. So it's a small absorbable, almost like a plastic type of screw that you screw in the bone where the tendon attaches, and it has some sutures coming out of it. Once you anchor the screw in the bone, you pass those sutures through the tendon with a needle or a passing device, and then you tie knots tacking down the tendon back into the bone. So that's what completes a repair, is you need to reattach or anchor the tendon back in the bone.
Beautiful.
You like that?
That was very good.
All right. Get your shoulder fixed. Don't wait too long.